this is the Black Friday limited edition box by GlossyBox. Let's get in here. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. Today's video I have an unboxing for you, and it is this. So this is the Black Friday limited edition box by GlossyBox. I was not expecting this. This is very kindly being gifted to me, so I have not paid for this item at all, just to be totally clear with you. But yeah, I got this earlier on today, or should I say my son accepted it and didn't tell me about it, and I've just found it now, and it's really late at night. You can see how dark it is outside. Never mind, we are here now. But yeah, I am super excited to get in here. So the Black Friday limited edition box costs £25 for non-subscribers. If you are a subscriber, it costs £15. So basically, if you use my code and subscribe to the monthly box, you will get your first box for £10, which will be the £10 that you're saving on here. So it would have cost you £25 in any way. So why not subscribe? And then you'll get the November box as well, which sounds pretty cool. And you can cancel whenever you want to. But oh, that's pretty. There is the box. I love the colours going on there. Let's get it out of here. So here is the box. So obviously with the theme Black Friday, it's a nice black box. And then we have just like a little rainbow of colour there, which is really pretty. So I'm just on their website now, and it just says, let the bank holiday fun commence. But this year with added energy, excitement and thrill. Sharpen up your looks and showcase brilliant colours. Upgrade your skincare routine with the collection of products this box boasts. Your Black Friday is sure to be lit with 9 luxurious products this box offers, and shall electrify your energy levels before the Christmas countdown commences. So look at the colour in there, that's really pretty. So again, GlossyBox don't do edit cards anymore. Well, they do, but it's digital, so we'll scan that. Hopefully that's going to work. Normally when I scan them, it never works for me. I repel technology. Okay, so there is a sneak peek, not a very good one, but let's have a dig through to see exactly what we've got in here. So the first product we have is this. So this is by the brand Frank Body, and it is a full-size product, and it is a lip balm in original. This has an RRP of £8.95, and it just says perfect your pout with this Frank Body lip balm, which contains a unique blend of coffee seed oil, vitamin E and lanolin. This product is a key all-rounder which will hydrate and plump your lips, cuticles and brows, and will provide a smooth finish to your best features. Okay, cool. Let's open this. Okay, that is sealed. I'm going to leave that sealed. No, I'm going to open it. I don't care. I need to get in here because I am a sucker for a lip product, I must admit. Oh, there we go. She is thick. Guys, that is thick. There we go, that is on. It gives a beautiful shine to the lips. It smells good. It tastes good, which is not good because that means I'm going to be licking this off all the time. It's not sticky. Maybe a tiny bit. That feels so smooth on the lips. Yeah, okay, really happy to get that. That's really nice. Second product we've got in the box is this. So it's by the brand Ganu, and this is a deluxe size, which is worth £10. And this is a Radiance Gommage. Achieve radiant glowy skin this season with Ganu Radiant Gommage. This exfoliant, which utilises mild anapic formula, will help overall breakouts, clogged pores, uneven skin texture and dull skin. From balm to an oil-like consistency, this product will no doubt refresh your skin and brighten your look. We have received this in a few boxes very recently. Was one of them in the Glossy box, in the November Glossy box? It was a bigger one. I'm actually glad to get a smaller one because this is great for when you go travelling. You don't want to take a big size with you, and if you want to keep up to date on your skincare. So very nice to get a small one. It's just, I think I've got quite a few of these now. Third product we have is this. So this is by the brand James Reed, and this is a Rose Glow Face Tanning Mist. It has an RRP of £11, and it just says, this Rose Glow Face Tanning Mist will transform you into a bronze goddess while giving you a refreshing boost. Control the depth of your colour you desire with each application, and let the health benefits of rose water pack your face with loving ingredients. Gain a tan for less while looking after your skin. Okay, I'm not really into tanning products, but James Reed is a really good brand. I'll probably pop this in one of my giveaways. I have heard really good things about this actually. I would love to try it, but it'll just look odd if I do, because I'm like very pale white and if I have a brown face, it's not gonna go. But yeah, for the tan lovers out there who will appreciate this, this is good for you. The fourth product we've got in the box is this. So this is by the brand Beauty Crop. This is a full-size product. It's worth £7, and this is a metallic lipstick. It just says, add a metallic touch to the end of 2022 and ensure your lips remain colourful with this Beauty Crop metallic liquid lipstick. Containing ingredients such as shea butter and vitamin E, your lips will soon feel soft, smooth and replenished. I think this comes in a multitude of colours, and it's kind of like look at the draw which one you get. I got this in the shade, ooh, Rum and Raisin. Let's open it up and yeah, let's pop it on, why not? So that colour is beautiful. That is very nice. Let's whack it on the old lips. That is what it looks like on the lips. It's went on really smoothly. It feels gorgeous on the lips, but bearing in mind I have got that balm on. What we'll do, we'll leave my lips alone until the end of the video. Normally I'm not into liquid lipsticks because I do find them quite drying on my lips. But yeah, like I say, we'll see at the end of the video what this is like. So far so good. I mean it's not sticky or anything, but I have got that balm underneath. Maybe that is the secret, putting balm on before I put liquid lipstick on. The fifth product in the box is this. So it's by the brand Avant. This is a full-size product, and oh by gum golly gosh, this has an RRP of £80, £80. And this is a pore perfecting pro collagen primer. Prime your face, blur imperfections and enhance your makeup's longevity with Avant's Pro Perfecting Primer. A makeup bag essential to ensure you achieve that flawless, long-lasting look you have always wanted. Both silky and lightweight, let the powerful ingredients provide a positive outcome for both your makeup and your skin. Oh, fabulous. If this is sealed, I'm keeping it sealed. It is sealed, yes. We are going to leave that sealed. I don't want to spoil that. So I'm not normally into primers, but I've had one or two in the past that I've tried and I've loved, and I've had to like finish the tube. So yeah, we'll try that one out and see what that's like. For £80, I hope I'm going to like it. But so far the products I've tried from Avant have been quite good, dare I say. Something I can never afford. If I was to try and buy this alone, I couldn't, so that's why I love these beauty boxes. Sixth product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Cetaphil. This is a deluxe size and it's worth £1.50. And this is an oily skin cleanser. Work up a lather, remove dirt, excess oils and makeup to leave a fresh face. This Cetaphil oily skin cleanser is kind to skin as it deeply cleanses the surface while protecting pH levels and moisture. Day and night your skin will feel nourished and smooth without compromise. Yeah, that sounds cool. So I haven't had this cleanser before from Cetaphil, but there is another cleanser by Cetaphil that we normally do get, and then they normally are given as a free sample in this size. So I mean that's an okay little stocking filler in the box. Cetaphil is nice. I do like to use Cetaphil when I'm having a skin sensitive day. So yeah, we'll have to try that one out and see what it's like. Yeah, little diddy size, again, great for travel I suppose. So product number 7 we have is this. So this is by the brand Lasplash and it is a full-size product. It's a face palette. It has an RRP of £25. And it just says, give your cheeks a pop of colour and enhance those cheekbones with Lasplash face palette. Offering a collection of natural and weightless mattes and shimmers, this palette will be loved by all and will make the perfect addition to any makeup look. So I have received this before months ago in the GlossyBox. There it is. I've just been looking in my stash and I found it. So we're going to pop that one there. We'll leave that one untouched. But yes, we'll play with this one because it has been swatched before. This palette is gorgeous, really, really nice. It's called Moonlit Glow. And yeah, those are the colours that you get in there. It has a mirror on the lid there, which is fab. This is too dark for me, if I'm 100% honest. The blusher is fab, just put a little bit on, don't go overboard with it. The other bits in the palette, so bronzer, contour, and I think is that supposed to be a highlight? Yeah, highlight is way too dark, but I can use them as eyeshadows, which is fabulous. So if you're going away somewhere and you've only got minimal amount of space, you've got your blusher and a little eyeshadow palette there for you. So I don't know, that's what I would use it as. And anyway, do some swatches so I can show you. And there we go, look at that. That blusher is gorgeous. It's got a light sheen on it. It is so pretty. And look how pigmented those are. And that highlighter there is stunning. If you have a darker skin tone, that is going to look gorgeous on you. If not, and you are as pale as can be like me, that is going to look beautiful on the eye as an eyeshadow topper. It's just beautiful. This will definitely not go to waste. And now I have two. Eighth product in the box is this. So this is by the brand Wonder 2. And this is a full-size product. It has an RRP of $9.99 and this is pure pigment in the shade Pearl. It just says this pure pigment is in the shade Pearl, has just landed in time before the Christmas celebrations begin. This loose, ultra-fine and buildable powder will provide a subtle or a dramatic shimmer to your look and will allow your creativity and style to run wild. So let's have a look at this. Oh my goodness, it's so tiny. Look at that. Oh, that's really cute. But I don't want to get this anyway. Okay, it's should I leave it sealed? No. So we're going to do it here. Oh. And there we go, look at that pearl. Oh my god, that is stunning. That is going to look beautiful on the inner corner of your eye, as an eyeshadow topper, anything you want. That is gorgeous. The product is this, and this says that it's an extra treat. It's by the brand Aveda, and yeah, an extra treat worth £1. Replenish shampoo and conditioner. Yeah, I don't care how big it is, it's a set and I'm happy. So it just says here, a shampoo and conditioner duo, both shower time essentials. These two creamy formulas will become firm favourites in your bathroom collection and will leave your hair cleansed, replenished and fed with a nutrient power hydration. That sounds absolutely fab. Lovely little brand indeed. Yeah, I can't wait to try that out. Yeah, I don't care what size any of the beauty boxes give away. I just prefer getting shampoo and conditioner together, and that's what we've got there. What a lovely little treat to get in the box. Hey guys, so I don't know if there's been a mistake or not, but there's nothing else left on the edit card. We're at the end of the edit card and there's nothing else there, but I still have one more thing in my box, which is this. So it's by the brand Vegan by Happy Skin, and this is one of my favourite skincare toners out there at the moment. It's Original Skin Essence Toner, chamomile, calendula and aloe vera juice. It's got natural ingredients, it's cruelty free, it's vegan, alcohol free, and this has an RRP of £35. I've memorised that because, yeah, as I say, this is my favourite toner at the moment. I have about 6 or 7 of these in my drawer because a lovely subscriber sent me a box with a load in, which has been absolutely fabulous. So I don't know why I've been given this. I don't know if anybody else is going to have it in the box. Comment down below if you've bought this box and you've received it, or you haven't bought it yet and you're going to buy it. Tell me if you've got this in your box, because this is just, there's nothing wrote about it anywhere. It was just lying in my box. I don't know. I'm happy I've got it though. It's another one to add to my collection. Guys, so this is the Black Friday limited edition box by GlossyBox. What do you think? So personally, I think this is an alright little box. I really like it. So £25 for non-subscribers, £15 for subscribers. Yeah, I would definitely, if I was to buy this, I would be happy paying out that, not a problem. Like I say, if you are not a subscriber, use my code. My link and my code will be down below in the information box and the comment box. Use my code, get a monthly subscription box. You get your first box for a tenner using that code, which is the £10 you'll be saving on the box, because it's £25, £15 for a subscriber. So yeah, that means you'll get the November box. I don't know which way it'll work, but you'll either get the November box or the December box, as well as that. So extra products for no extra cost to you if you are going to pay the 25 in anyway, which sounds awesome. But the products in the box, yeah, I really like. We have had some of them over the last few months with GlossyBox and other beauty boxes out there. But yeah, I don't think it's bad at all. Oh, back to the liquid lipstick. Here it is. It's a lovely colour. It is a bit sticky. I think sticking an oil on that will sort it out, but I love the colour, absolutely love the colour. The palette is gorgeous, very nice. I love that we've got an Avant product in there, and that Avant product is a new one. We have not had that product that I know of in any of the beauty boxes. But yeah, let me know guys, did any of you guys get the Vegan by Happy Skin toner in your box like I did? I'm a bit flabbergasted. As I say, nothing is wrote down anywhere, but hey, I'm happy, I'll take it, I love it. But that concludes this video, so if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.